What's up, guys? Wait, no. What's up, guys? Welcome back to JackedCuber, and today I got a Christmas special for you guys. It's Christmas Eve, it's cold outside, and I'm gonna be doing some cold challenges, and I'm gonna see how much they mess with my cubing times. So let's get into it. All right, guys, for this next challenge, I'm out here in my shorts. I'm barefoot, which is probably gonna be the worst part of this. I'm gonna get sprained by the garden hose and pelted by snowballs constantly as I'm trying to solve this cube. For this challenge, we've already got tons of pre-made snowballs. These three are ready to fire at me, and then Alexis, our filmer, is gonna be recording me and spraying me with the garden hose all at the same time as I'm gonna try to solve this 3x3. The rules are, there's no redos. I gotta solve all the way through until completion, and I'm gonna be totally barefoot, just in my shorts here, and it's under 10 degrees out here, and it's really cold. My feet are already freezing, but let's do this. All right, guys, so the snowballers are ready. Alexis is ready with the garden hose. Let me get some inspection done. I'm already freezing. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, that's not. Oh my gosh, I keep messing up. Oh. I got it. Time. Oh my gosh. Oh. That might have been one of the most miserable things I've actually ever experienced. The cube is solved. And just for you guys' information, that is just a mere glimpse of what Santa's elves have to do to train for the North Pole. I'm soaking wet. I solved that cube. Honestly, I don't even know how long it took. But oh my gosh, that was. I'm gonna go take a warm shower. All right, see you guys in the next one.
Yeah.
One million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
All right, you guys. So for this next challenge, I am going to be solving a Rubik's Cube. But the catch is, before I solve the Rubik's Cube, I'm gonna be sticking my hands in the snow and slowly incrementing over time. I'm gonna go and increment the time in the snow until it takes me over a minute to solve this cube. On average, I take around like 15 seconds, so we'll see how long I have to stick my hands in the snow for, probably until they don't move. So let's get started. All right, we're gonna go straight in with the 10 seconds in the snow. For the first cube solve, "22 seconds. So now we're gonna get on with the 20 seconds. This challenge might be over quicker than I thought. Whew, my hands feel like I was touching the North Pole there. "21 seconds. Unfortunately, that solve was faster than my previous one, so let's keep going. My hands are pure red. Time for the solve. "24 seconds. Looks like I'm gonna be going until my fingers don't work anymore. Time for 40 seconds. Okay, guys, that was 40 seconds in snow. My fingers are feeling like icicles at this point, honestly. Let's go to the solve. fingers aren't even working anymore, guys. I'm gonna be sticking my hands in the snow for 1 minute. This is really starting to suck. My hands are freezing and I don't know how I'm still doing it. 1 minute, let's go. "31 seconds. Let's keep going. All right, guys, I'm getting tired of it. These 10-second increments. I already went up by 20. I'm just gonna go to 1:30 here, and hopefully my fingers freeze so I don't have to do this anymore. Let's go. "35 seconds. Probably one of the final stages here. My hands are getting really cold and I'm getting a little nervous, so I'm just gonna go 2 minutes in the snow. I got 41 seconds. I'm gonna go and do, let's go 3 minutes in the snow. I mean, I'm 20 seconds away from a minute. I wanted to quit, but you know, I'm gonna do this for you guys. Alright guys, I actually ended up doing 3 minutes and 30 seconds. I went until my fingers went numb, honestly. I managed still to pull out a solve. I got it 1 minute and 7 seconds. So Alright, so for this next challenge, I was thinking about doing something a little crazier. And then I started picturing how that might actually go. Like, what if they just chased me across the yard with shovels the whole time? Or what if they hit me with wrapping paper while I tried to solve? Or maybe they just scream Christmas carols in my ear nonstop. And then I got a really bad idea, like getting force-fed cookies while milk gets poured on my head. Yeah, no. I'm gonna stick with the safer option. Oven mitts. Alright, one solve, all the way through, no more excuses, let's go. Okay, it's not as hard as I thought. That was awful. I'm never doing it again. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this year's JackedCuber Christmas special. Oh. And Merry Christmas!
Souls, they looking for a leader, that's why I'm still reading. Posted on they block with 7 shots, we taking demons out. Ice on.